In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a zip file to Google Drive. Whether you're looking to store files for backup or share multiple documents with someone without hassle, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started, and remember, it's a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time in the future. First, you'll want to navigate over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com in your address bar. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your Google account credentials to gain access. Google Drive is a fantastic cloud storage service that not only allows you to upload files but also keeps them safe and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you've logged in and landed on the Google Drive homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll notice a big plus sign icon labeled New. This is your go-to button for adding anything new to your Google Drive. Click on this to reveal a list of options. As soon as you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several choices on what you can create or upload. In that drop-down menu, one of the options you'll see is File Upload. This is the option we want, as it enables you to add files from your computer to your Google Drive. Click on File Upload, and a File Explorer window will pop up. Now this is where you'll navigate through your computer's files. Go ahead and find the zip file you want to upload. If you have many files, using the search bar in the File Explorer can make this quicker. Once you've located your zip file, simply select it and click Open. Google Drive will then begin the upload process for your zip file. You'll notice a small window at the bottom right corner of your screen showing the progress of your upload. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this process can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Don't worry though, you can keep using Google Drive while this happens. Once the upload is complete, you'll receive a notification in Google Drive confirming that your zip file is safely stored. From here, you can organize the file into folders or share it with others using Google Drive's sharing feature. To manage it further, you can right-click on the file to see more options like sharing, renaming, or moving it to another folder. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to upload a zip file to Google Drive. By following these steps, you can easily use Google Drive as a reliable storage solution for your important documents. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips.